Hello friends, today we are going to see more on this. Uh, Already I have explained you about how to insert the image, text, and now we will see how to do the animation. So yes, we will take one image. I will write here, and as I have told you that you can change the color, right? You can change the color of the text. As I have changed the color, I can move it. You have to select it, please keep it in mind this thing, and even you can make it small or big. Another thing that we can do, that we can see over here, on a right click there are many options like to edit. If you want to do the editing, you want to change the color, you want to change the text, you want to change the style of it, yes, you can do it. Like I have changed the color, I can change it to bold this thing. Even we can change over here the font, right? So yes, I've taken the font. You can see over here that uh, it has been changed. Next, what we can do, you can make a duplicate of it. You can change the order also, like you want that first of all that the text may come, so you make it order up. So yes, you can see the change. Again I will show order down. So this is 1 and this is 2. Okay, so this is about it. Next we can do the animation. As you know that we can draw by hand. In that also we can give the timing, right? So before and after, whatever the timing you want to go. For time to draw means, many of the times when you are writing, you are writing a report or an article, or you are making a review of any book. At that time you want with the pictures that you are saying something, so for that you needed a time. So yes, you can change the time settings according to it. Time to fade, right? So it takes time somewhat, and time after, whatever the time you want to give afterwards. Click on save, you see the preview. Okay, now the next which we can see over here, that is here in this, the tree. I don't want to draw and I want to just go by dragging. Yes, I can do it. Drag by hand, we have the option. So I will just drag it. I will not give the time to drag that thing so much. Okay, I will just remove, drag it by the hand. Now we will see the next thing, that is how to give the music that we have seen already. Yes, even you can change the color of the background. In settings you can change the color. You can go to the colors, like I want a red background. Yes, you can see this thing, right? So instead of that, again I'm going to a white background. Okay, this is about it. Next, yes, you can add the videos over there. So we'll go with a new slide, go to the video, select the video which you already have it. um, I have one video. It will take time. Till that time you can also see the timeline, and these all options are there. The main importance, the benefit of this is that many of the people like the animation in the form of handwritten effects, so that is very good. Okay, so that we can do. My video file is very much big, so I cannot show now this thing. You can see your export. I've shown you this part, right? Even the video, the music. Yes, you can add the music over there. Loop music means continuously. If you want that the music may go on, if your slides are more and it is going on continuous, then you can go for it. Okay, here I can delete the slide also. You can see stop the preview, and you can also export it, so it will do the recording of it. Okay, so while exporting you can save your file by another name, and you can change the part of it to mp4. Hope you all have liked it. Thank you. Please like and subscribe my channel, and please share with more people.